You're welcome back, traders. In this video, we are taking a look at one of the best trading view indicators that can help you to find good trading opportunities in the market. Now, it is true that there is no indicator that can guarantee you 100% profits, but at least there are some indicators that can give you valid trade signals, right? Good trading opportunities, and that is one of the indicators that we want to look at, where you can be able to get quality signals every time. Okay, now this setup works across multiple markets including forex, crypto, stocks, and indices, and it is designed to keep you out of bad trades while giving you confidence in your entries. Now, if you have traded for any length of time, you know the frustration of entering a trade on what looks like a breakout, only to watch it reverse against you. There are situations whereby um, price would create a false breakout. It could be a breakout from a trend line, just like what we can see happen here. If you see, this was a false breakout, although price eventually had a legit breakout. But initially you can see this was a false breakout. Then the breakout could also be from a horizontal support or resistance zone. Okay, so whatever the case may be, when you want to jump into a breakout and you find out it's a false breakout, it can really be frustrating, right? It seems like we even had kind of a false breakout around this zone, because if you look closely, you will see that this level, okay, let's not use this one as an example. Okay, if you look closely, you see this was a resistance that turned into a support, right? So this is actually a good example. Here we had a legit breakout, here we had a legit breakout, but you can see here this is a support level, so it got rejected. But then here, can you see what happened here? You can see that this seemed like a false breakout. Price then continued upward, and you can see here the support level held, it got rejected. Then here we actually had a breakout that lasted for a while and all of that. So it depends on how fast you are in jumping into a breakout. Do not jump into a trade after you see a breakout. Always wait for confirmations first. Okay, so now the key is having an indicator that filters out those bad setups and only highlights trades that meet strict high quality conditions. You don't want to be a victim of fake signals, and of course they happen because markets are full of short-term noise and traps. So that is exactly what this trading view tool that we want to look at, right? This is what it does. Okay, once you are on trading view, just search for the indicator breakout detector. Okay, so we're just going to search for breakout detector. This is the indicator that we're going to be using, that is going to give us those important signals to avoid false breakouts. All right, you can actually go into the settings, adjust the settings according to your trading style, the higher time frame and all of that. Okay, but basically if you are new to this indicator, there is no need to adjust any settings. Okay, compare the indicator with a clean chart, no clutter, just price action and your key levels. This keeps your focus on the most important information. The perfect signal appears when market conditions meet all the predefined rules. This could be trend confirmation, momentum alignment, when market structure support. All right, now if you look closely, you will see that this indicator actually uses arrows to paint potential opportunities, buy opportunities with green arrows, sell opportunities with red arrows. So in an uptrend, the indicator would show you opportunities to buy and even some opportunities to sell as well. And in a downtrend, likewise, you're going to see some opportunities, to sell, and also some, opportunities to buy. Although I'm going to recommend buying in a bullish trend and selling in a bearish trend. But then, if you look closely, you will see that the indicator uses this F to indicate false breakouts. Can you see that? If you go to the settings, you're going to see that you can decide to, remove that option. If you remove this detect false breakout, you see they're going to disappear. All right, you can see those F has disappeared, right? But if you allow the indicator to detect false breakout, then you will see the indicator will actually detect false breakouts for you. Can you see this was a false breakout? This one that I pointed out, you can see even here false breakout. You can see here false breakout. You can see a lot of false breakouts identified by the indicator. Well, the indicator is not 100% accurate all the time. Okay, so bear that in mind. Sometimes maybe you might see a few false signals and all of that. There is no indicator that guarantees uh profit or guarantees accuracy 100% of the time. Okay, so it's important that you keep your expectations in check. All right, so even with a powerful indicator, you should always confirm your signals with market structure. You look for confluence, with support and resistance zones, trend lines, candlestick patterns, and all of that. You can see that this indicator also shows the number of breakouts, bullish breakouts, bearish breakouts, the total. You see the number of wins for the bullish breakouts, the number of wins for the bearish breakouts, the total. You see the number of TP hit for the bullish, for the bearish, and total. You'll see the number of losses, right, for the bullish, for the bearish, and total. You see the number of stop loss hit, right, and you would see the number of false breakouts as well, right. You will see that the indicator actually predicts you can see the indicator gives you zones, right. You can see this blue zone is for your take profit. This is for stop loss. You can see take profit, stop loss. So it's still based on the breakout strategy. The indicator is based on the breakout strategy, but it also goes some steps further in giving you stop loss zone and take profit zone, right? So this indicator is actually a nice indicator. Okay, it's a nice indicator, but at the same time, as you can see, the profit margin is not exactly very great. So you don't have to use this indicator to determine your entry and exits and all of that. I mean, you don't have to use the indicator for your take profit and your stop loss, these zones that the indicator give you. You can just decide to use this indicator as a false breakout detector. After all, that is what we are talking about in this video, right? So this indicator is great, with respect to the breakout detection and even helping you to project possible stop loss and take profit targets. But you have to also do your due diligence, make your necessary analysis and check out if the levels that are being projected or that are being recommended by the indicator for take profit and for stop loss are valid levels, according to your trading style. Okay, so but overall this is actually a great indicator, right? It's a great indicator. You can actually decide to test it out on a demo account, and if it works well for you, then well, you can still apply it to your real trading account. Okay, so once you enter on a confirmed perfect signal, just set your stop loss beyond the nearest swing point and your take profit at the next major market level. That is, if you don't want to use the stop loss and take profit levels projected by the indicator, but make sure you avoid over trading. All right, wait for the perfect signals to line up with your structure analysis, and that is how you maintain consistency and discipline. If you found this guide helpful, click the like button, subscribe for more trading setups and trading strategies. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.